5:45 in the morning. We're headed out to a lake that is about an hour away from where I live. I typically go to a different lake, but the lake that I've been fishing on recently has been kind of stingy, and I want to be honest, I've lost a little bit of confidence by fishing on this lake for so often, I guess. So I'm looking for a little confidence booster here. So we're going to this bigger lake. I'm going early because it's typically it's kind of like a party lake, if you will, but there's a lot of recreational boaters, a lot of wake boats and pontoons and stuff like that. So I thought if I'd get out there early enough, then I could get a couple hours in before they got up and got to moving on the lake. But then also in the confidence piece, I've never really figured this lake out. So, my thought was maybe if I can figure out a couple fish and string together a little bag maybe or something, that maybe my confidence will go up a little bit. Because I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I keep making these videos, but I've not really had a really just great day on the water this year. And I'd really like to. So anyway, we'll see you guys on the ramp. It's about 7 o'clock, and we're gonna try to get after it. I looked at some spots on the One Boat Network or whatever app yesterday to try to see, some good spots based on some fishing reports, and yeah, let's just see. All right, here's what you've missed, because for some reason my camera didn't want to turn on. So, actually, never mind. I'll say whenever I get to the spot that I want to go. So when I got here, my camera decided not to work, which is infuriating. And the only thing that y'all have missed is that I've not caught anything. Tied on a bunch of different stuff. No luck yet. Yeah, I don't know. So I've got like 2 hours maybe. I can keep fishing. I got a kid's birthday party I gotta get to. So the fishing report that the Game and Fish puts out said that fish are everywhere. So far, I'd say that's pretty true. I've seen a lot. I just haven't been able to get them to bite. One of the things they called out though was that some of them are in brush and some of them are out roaming. So I tried to fish a little offshore hump. Got nothing. I've tried fishing the brush a little bit. And I had a bite, but I did not catch it. So, okay, so back to my original grievances. So my camera wasn't working. I forgot my YOLO Tech, which is the camera that goes, or it's the GoPro, but it's got a little mount right there on the back. It goes where your anchor light is. And so yeah, it's not been a great day so far, to say the least. definitely not the confidence booster that I was looking for. Slake and I are not supposed to get along. I think that is the conclusion I'm coming to. Well, I was really hoping this is going to go a lot differently, a lot better. And I guess not. Joking right now? Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me. I can't catch a break today. Straight up. Oh, now there's a freaking yellow jacket coming after me. What the hell, dude? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I feel freaking pitiful. I'll tell you that much. Alright, call it a day.